Hi, hello, good wishes to everyone. I'm glad to see you again. See, now we are going to see about usage of conditional clause. What? Usage of conditional clause. Yes, see, already you have learnt about that usage of some words, English words. Yes, now in this session we are going to see about usage of conditional clause. What? Conditional clauses. Right? So I have given only the few words. There are many words, but in this session, just few words we are going to learn. Right? See, first one is should. See, already you see this word. See, already you have seen this word. That is should. Will comes under what? Modal auxiliary. Right? See, verb consists of what? That is two types. That is main verb and auxiliary verb, right? So verb consists of main verb and auxiliary verb. Yes, auxiliary verb consists of primary auxiliary verb and modal auxiliary verb, right? So verb consists of main verb and that is auxiliary verb, and auxiliary verb consists of what? Primary auxiliary verb and modal auxiliary verb. So in that modal auxiliary verb, the should will be performed, right? So should is included in that is should is involved in what? Modal auxiliary verb. Yes, let us going to see that. Yes, let us go see should. So should, see where we should use this. So where we should use this. See here I am insisting should. So we are going to see about that should. So should is already you knew that should is that ordering. For ordering we are use, yes, see we will use generally for ordering others. Should is used for where that is to order others we will use in gender. That is generally we will use that. But while coming to in obligation, yes, should is mainly used for, it is used in obligation and used in probability, that is possibility, right? So should is used in, that is two mannerism, right? In obligation and in probability, right? So let us see that. So should, see here I have given an example. We should obey our parents. See, this is not a order, that is ordering others. See, this is one type of obligation. We should have this mannerism, right? So we should obey our parents. We should respect our teachers, right? So we should help the poor. So this is not the order. Yes, while saying the sentence itself you can able to understood. Yes, so this is not the ordering one. It is one type of word, mannerism. Yes, so we should obey our parents. We should have this type of habits, right? We should have this type of thoughts. So we should obey our parents. We should respect our teachers. We should help the, we should do some favor to the poor people. So these are all the obligations which we should have. So which we should have. So in there also I am using what? Should. So obligations. So should and obligations. Yes, these are all the obligations. So this is not the order. But should is commonly used for see where we will use. Should this is used to order others. See only that one we know that. Yes. So while coming to probability, see probability means possibility, right? So in some possibilities, in some chances we will use that. See here, he should be in London by now. He should, this is not the order, right? So this is not the order. You know that, see, while saying the sentence you can identify that he should be in London by now. So he should be, see he should be in London. So whatever it may be the place. So he should be in London. He should be in America by now. So they are saying one type of guessing. Yes. So through the guessing they are saying. So possibility, it may happen. So there are some possibilities. So they are saying with possibilities. They are not sure about that, but they are giving some possibilities. Yes, that is expressing some possibilities here. So that is probability. So in during this situation, we will use should. So what they are coming to say means should is not only for using in, it is ordering others. It is also used in obligations and in probability, right? So it is used for, that is ordering others, and in obligations and in probability. So for these things should will be used, right? So especially generally we will use should for ordering others. Yes, we are warning them. Yeah, while warning others we will use should, right? And while coming to dare, see dare. So dare and have courage. The dare means what? courage, right? So dare means what? Courage. That is boldness. Is expressing our boldness. Courage. That is courageousness, right? So have courage, not have courage. See here, dare. So how dare you walk? See, while raising question, we can use this. See, in some situation, we used to raise some questions. How dare you walk? Yes. How dare you to speak like this? We'll ask someone else, right? So here, see, have courage. We daren't go there. So dare not. So dare not, we don't have the boldness to go there. That is the meaning of this sentence. See, we daren't go there. We daren't go there means what? We don't have the courageousness to go there because it is the thrilling place. So we have some boldness to go there, but we don't have that boldness. So we daren't go there. Yes, we don't have the boldness to go there. We don't have the courageousness to go there. So we daren't go there, right? So how dare he ask me? See, I told you, no? So in some situation, we used to raise some questions by using this dare. See, how dare he ask me? See, how dare you to ask me? How dare you to talk like this? How dare you to sit here? Yes, we will raise some questions. Yes, in front of others. So for that situation, we can use this dare. Yes, and see another example. He daren't complain. So he don't have the boldness to complain. That is, he doesn't have any courage to even go to the police station. Yes, so he don't have the boldness to complain, right? So he daren't complain. He daren't complain. That is, we dare not. He dare not complain, right? So these are all the examples of, that is for courage, for not having any courageousness. Yes, that is a dare. Yes, so both it will involve, that is have courage and not have courage. Yes, so dare involves these two things, and these are all the examples. Yes, and it is go to the need and need not. Need. See, already you knew that need means what? It is தேவைகள். Need. When we are in need. Yes, it is a friend in need is indeed. There is one proverb. You know that. Yes, a friend in need is indeed. Right? A friend in need is indeed. ஆபத்தில் உதவுபவனே நல்ல நண்பன். Yes, in Tamil we used to say that. So need. So தேவை. Yes. So need not. So in necessity. Whenever we are in need. Yes, we are expecting others to, that is, get some help. Yes, they have to do some help for us. Yes, so we are expecting that. Yes, so necessity. Yes, so during the necessity we are using this need. So need and necessity, and in permission. In permission, see, I am in need to do that. I am in need to do that. So this it will consider as permission, right? See, so need and necessity. Yes, so we have to satisfy that necessity, and need and permission. So the requesting manner, right? So we should use this, that is need and permission in a requesting manner, right? See, let us see the example. I need that immediately. This will comes under what? Necessity. See, I need that immediately. Yes, see, I am giving my, that is, I am explaining that I need that immediately. See, here I am insisting, that is with the ordering. Yes, with the type of order, right? So I need that immediately. Immediately I need that. So this will comes into what? Necessity. This is expressing what? Necessity. So need and necessity. Next, need and permission. So permission will always express what? That is request, kind manner. Yes. So here, see, we needn't buy our tickets now. We need not buy our tickets now. So don't want to buy the tickets now. So need not means that only. Yes. So we don't want to buy the tickets now. So we need not go there. Yes. We need not want to buy the tickets now. Yes. See here, we need not buy our tickets now. So we need the tickets now. We need not buy the tickets now. We need not to go there. We need to go there. We need not to go there. Yes. Next example. You need to come to college tomorrow. See here. You need to come to college tomorrow. So you need to come. You have to come. Yes. So you have to come college tomorrow. See here. You need it, that is you need not. You need not to come college tomorrow. Yes. So this is the difference between both. That is have to, have not. Yes. So in necessity, that is when we are in need, in that we will use this need. That is necessity. And permission or in requesting manner. See, I am in need. So I am in need to go there. So I am in need to go there because there is a chances I should go there. While after my arrival only it will be completed. So in that situation we will use that I need to go there. Right? So these are all the, that is conditional clauses. Yes, these are all the conditional clauses. How we should use this conditional clauses and where we should use this conditional clauses. So we have seen that. So we have learned about this. So again, once again I am repeating to recall you. See, should. So should is was. See what it is. See, should. It will comes under what? Modal auxiliary verb. Modal auxiliary verb. So verb consists of two forms, that is main verb and auxiliary verb. And auxiliary verb consists of two, that is primary auxiliary verb and modal auxiliary verb. So should will comes under what? Modal auxiliary verb. That is modal auxiliary, so may, might, can, could, shall, should, will, would, must. So should will used for, so generally we know that should will used for ordering others. Yes, we are insisting, that is we are putting our order in that should while using should. Yes, so should will used to order others generally, but there are some options. See, for using should. See, in obligations we can use, and in probability we can use should, right? So in obligation, should is used here. See, we should obey our parents. We are having some obligations, right? So this is not a order. This will not come under in order, right? So this is all the, that is these are the obligations. Yes, some of the obligations we should have. Yes, so we should obey our parents. We should respect our teachers. We should help the poor. So these are all the obligations. This is not ordered by anyone else. Yes. So in probability, probability means chances. That is possibility. It may have some possibility. There may some chances. Yes. So opportunity. So this will come under probability. See, he should be in London by now. So he should be. This is also not a order, right? So this is the probability. That is possibility. That is make hay while the sun shines. We may used to say that proverb, make hay while the sun shines. That is, it denotes the opportunities. See, whenever we are getting the golden opportunity, we should take that. We should not miss that. We should not avoid it. So see, whereas he should be in London by now. The same thing. Yes. So we should use the probability. Yes, we should, that is intake the chances, opportunity, right? Then while coming to the dare, so having courage and don't have that courage. Yes, have courage to go there and don't have courage to go there, right? That is move from our place, right? And need not. So need also, need means, need we will use to for a necessity. Whenever we are need, that is whenever we are expecting some need, that's from help from others, in that situation we will use this need, right? And need not means don't want, that's have not. You have to come, you need to come, you need not come, you don't want to come. Yes, so these are all the same thing, right? So need means we will use in what? In necessity, right? And need not, that is both we will use in necessity and permission. So need in necessity, need in permission, need not in necessity, need not in permission. So permission will always express what? Kind, that is request manner, right? So these are all the conditional clauses, usage of conditional clauses. So where we should use this and how we should use this. Yes, we discussed about this in this session. I hope you all understood, students. So just you recall these things. Yes, capture it and intake it. Yes, thank you. Thank you, students.